Hi, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's reading and writing class. Before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, books built a stairway to your imagination. So, children, books are the essential things to develop your imaginative skill. So, read books, enrich your imaginative skill, children. So, children, let's start today's reading session. Children, take your textbook Honeydew. Chapter 2 Prose. The title of the chapter, The Tsunami. From page number 29. Children, as a continuation, let's start today's reading part from the chapter 2, title of the chapter, The Tsunami, page number 29. So take your book, textbook Honeydew, page number 29, chapter 2, the title of the chapter, The Tsunami. So let's read the third part of the story, children. So look at the first line. Look carefully, L-O-O-K, look carefully, C-A-R-E, care, F-U-L-L-Y, fully, carefully. Look carefully at the picture, P-I-C, pic, T-U-R-E, picture of the boy and his dog, D-O-G, dog, and T-R-Y, try to describe, D-E-S, dis, C-R-I-B, cribe, C-R-I-B, cribe. Describe the things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Describe the things that you see, S-E-E-C, using, U-S-I-N-G, using, just, J-U-S-T, just, words, W-O-R-D-S, W-O-R-D-S, words, and phrases, P-H-R-A-S-E-S, phrases. Let's read this line again, children, from the beginning. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. All from this line, let's read the next line, children. E-I-T-H-E-R, either. What is this word, children? Either. E-I-T-H-E-R, either the teacher, T-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, or one of the students, S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S, students, can, C-A-N, can, write, W-R-I-T-E, write, D-O-W-N, down, write down the words, W-O-R-D-S, words and phrases, P-H-R-A-S-E-S, phrases on the blackboard, B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. So that's all from this line, children. Let's read the line. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So that's all from the warm-up, children. Let's read the next passage, that is the story from the third part of this chapter. Look at the lines given here. T-H-I-S, this is, H-O-W, how, U-Y-O-U, you, can, C-A-N, can, S-T-A-R-T, start. This is how you can start, C-A-L-M, calm, C-A-L-M, calm, B-L-U-E, blue, S-E-A-C, calm, blue sea, ruined, R-U-I-N-E-D, ruined. What is this word, children? Ruined, H-U-T-S, huts, ruined, huts. So let's read this line. This is how you can start, calm, blue sea, ruined, huts. Children, that's all from this line. Let's move on to the paragraph now. B-E-F-O-R-E, before the G-I-A-N-T, giant, before giant, G-I-A-N-T, giant, W-A-V-E-S, waves, giant waves, slammed, S-L-A-M-M-E-D, slammed, S-L-A-M-M-E-D, slammed, before the giant waves slammed into the coast, C-O-A-S-T, coast, in India, in India, 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 and Sri Lanka, SRI, Sri Lanka, 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 Sri Lanka, wild, 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 and domestic, DOMES, do, mess, tick, domestic animals, 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 seemed, seemed, seemed to, KNOW, know, seemed to know what was about to happen, 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 happen. Children, that's all from the first line of this first paragraph. Let's read this line again. Before the giant wave slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild animals seems to know what was about to happen. Okay, children, let's read the next sentence. THEY, they, FLED, fleed. FLED, fleed. To safety, SAFTETY, safety, safety. They flew to safety. According, 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 ding, according to eyewitness, EYEIWIT, wit, NESS, eyewitness, according to eyewitness accounts, 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 according to eyewitness accounts. Elephants, ELEPHANTS, elephants screamed, 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 screamed and ran, 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 screamed and ran for higher, HIGHER, higher grounds, GROUND, higher ground, and look at the next sentence. Dogs, 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 refused, REFUSED, refused to go outdoors, OUTOURS, doors, outdoors. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Next sentence. FLA, MIN, goes, GOES, flamingos, abandon, ABAN, ban, DONED, don't, abandon, there, THEIR, there, low, 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 LYING, lying, breeding, BREDING, breeding, low-lying, breeding areas, AREAS, areas. Okay, children. And zoo, 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 animals, 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 rushed, RUSHED, rushed into their, THEIR, what is this, children? Their, 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 shelters, 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 their shelters, and could not, COULD, could not be enticked, ENTICED, enticked, back out. Let's read this line again, children. So listen carefully. We have so many difficult words in this sentence. So listen carefully and repeat along with me. THEY, they, FLED, fleed, they fleed to safety, SAFETY, safety. According, ACOCORDING, according to witnesses' accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not entict to come back out. So that's all from this line, children. I'll repeat the line again So read along with me, children. Keep your fingers and read loudly. Repeat along with me loudly with correct pronunciation. Okay. Look at the line here. They, T-H-E-Y, they, F-L-E-D, fleed. They fleed to safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed, and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not entict to come back out. So that's all from the first paragraph, children. Let's move on to the second paragraph of this page number 29. Children, look at the second paragraph here. M-A-N-Y, many, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Many people believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Many people believe that, T-H-A-T, that animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals possess, P-O-S-S-E-S, possess a sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth sense, S-E-N-S-E, sense, sixth sense, and know, K-N-O-W, what is this, children? Know. K-N-O-W also know, N-O also know. So know, K-N-O-W, know, when the earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, is going, G-O-I-N-G, going to shake, S-H-A-K-E, shake. So let's read this line again. Look here carefully. Keep your fingers and follow me, children. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So that's all from this first line of the second paragraph. Let's move on to the second sentence. Some, S-O-M-E, some experts, E-X-X-P-E-R-T-S, experts believe, B-E-B-L-I-E-V-E, believe that, T-H-A-T, that animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, more, M-O-R-E, more, acute, A spelling A, C-U-T-E, cute. So together it is acute, H-E-A-R-I-N-G, hearing, H-E-A-R-I-N-G, hearing, helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps, hearing helps them, T-H-E-M, them, to hear, H-E-A-R, hear, or T-H apostrophe S, earths, Y, V-I-Y, B-R-A, bray, T-I-O-N, shun, vibration. So split the word and read easily, children. So let's read the line again from the beginning. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. So I'll repeat the sentence here. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. So that's all from the second sentence of this second paragraph. Let's move on to the third sentence here. T-H-E-Y, they, T-H-E-Y, they, C-A-N, can, they can, S-E-N-S-E, what is this, children? Sense, S-E-N-S-E, sense, and approaching, A-P, up, P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G, approaching, A-P, up, P-R-O-A-C-H, approach, I-N-G, ing, approaching, disaster, D-I-S, dis, A-S, as, T-R, ter, disaster, L-O-N-G, long, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, hue, H-U, hue, M-A-N-S, humans, realize, R-E-A-L-I-S-E, real, R-E-A-L, real, eyes, I-S-E, eyes, realize, What's? How to pronounce this short form, children? What's? That means what is. So it is the short form what's. How to pronounce this, children? What's going? G-O-I-N-G. Going on. O-N on. So what's going on? So let's read this line again, children. They can sense an approaching disaster. Approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. So that's all from the second paragraph also, children. Let's move on to the third paragraph now. Children, let's start the third paragraph of the story. W-E-V-C-A-N can, N-O-T not, cannot, B-E-B-S-U-R-E sure, be sure, W-H-E-T-H-E-R whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R whether animals have a sixth sense or not. So let's read this line again, children. We cannot be sure whether animals have sixth sense or not. So that's all from the first point. Let's move on to the second sentence of the third paragraph. B-U-T, but the, T-H-E, the, F-A-C-T, fact. But the fact is, I-S is, T-H-A-T, that the, G-I-A-N-T, giant, G-I-A-N-T, giant, W-A-V-E-S, waves, giant waves, that, T-H-A-T, that, R-O-O-L-E-D, R-O-L-L-E-D, rolled, R-O-L-L-E-D, rolled, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, what is this word, children? Through the Indian, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian Ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean, killed, K-I-L-L-E-D, killed, M-O-R-E, more, T-H-A-N, than 150,000 people in a dozen, D-O-Z-E-N, dozen, D-O-Z-E-N, dozen countries, C-O-U-N-T-R-I, C-O-U-N, T-R-I-E-S, trees, countries, but, B-U-T, but, N-O-T, not, but not, many, M-A-N-Y, M-A-N-Y, many, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, H-A-V-E, have, been, B-E-E-N, been, reported, R-E-P-O-R-T-A-D, reported, A-D, dead. Let's read this line again one more time, children. But the fact is that giant is the giant waves, G-I-A-N-T is giant waves, W-A-V-E-S, waves, that rolled, R-O-L-L-E-D, rolled, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through the Indian, I-N, D-I-D-A-N, Indian Ocean, killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. So children, that's all from the third paragraph. Let's move to the fourth paragraph of this page number 29. So look at the first line. Along, A-L-O-N-G, along, I-N-D-I-A, apostrophe S, India's, C-U-D, could, D-A, L-O-R-E, lore, Kudalur, along India's Kudalur coast, C-O-A-S-T, coast, C-O-A-S-T, coast, W-H-E-R-E, where, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S, thou, T-H-O-U, thou, S-A-N-D-S, sons, thousands, where thousands of people perished, P-E-P-R-I-S-H-E-D, perished, buffaloes, B-U-F, buff, F-A-F, L-O-E-S, lows, buffaloes, goats, G-O-A-T-S, goats, and, D-O-G-S, dogs, WERE, where, FOUND, 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 unharmed, UNHARMED, harmed, unharmed. Let's read this first sentence again, children. Along India's Kudalur coast, where thousands of people perished, PRISHED, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. So that's all from the first sentence. Let's move on to the second sentence of this paragraph. Yala, 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 national, 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 Yala National Park, 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 the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, Sri LANKA, Lanka, is home to a variety, variety of animals, 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 including in CLU, DING, including elephants, 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 Leo, PARDS, birds, leopards, and 130 species, SPECIES, species of birds, BIRDS, birds. So let's read this line again, children. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. So that's all from the second line, children. Let's move on to the last line of this paragraph and the page also, children. Look at the first word, SIXTY, 60, VIV, SICTORS, visitors. 60 visitors were washed, WASHED, washed away, AWAY, away from, FROM, from the Pattanangala, PA, TAN, NAN, GA, LA, Pattanangala beach, BACH, beach, inside, in, SIDE, side, the PARK, park, inside the park. Let's read the last line of this page, children, again one more time. 60 visitors were washed away from the Pattanangala beach inside the park. So that's all from this page number 29, children. We have completed page number 29 in this today's reading part. So let's read the next page in this another reading part, children. So let's move on to the writing part of this session now. Children, that's all from the reading part. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, let's start writing today's handwriting part, that is on Thursday 29/10/20. Okay, children. So take your handwriting book, sharpen your pencil, draw lines, write date 29/10/20, and we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this first 6 lines. Then for Friday, that is 30th, 30/10/20, we are going to write this 6 lines. So here you have to draw 10 lines, and for Friday you need to draw 9 lines. Then for Saturday 31/10/20, we are going to write these lines. Okay, E strokes. So draw lines. Here you need to draw 9 lines, children. So for this today's week, we are going to write page number 17 and 18, children. So Thursday, that is 29/10/20, Friday 30/10/20, then for Saturday 31/10/20. Okay children, let's start writing. We are going to write C stroke for Thursday. See here, first let me start. Try to write over the dotted. For Thursday, we are just writing C stroke. C, letter C with alphabets. So try to write over the dotted properly, children. Sharp your pencil and write. Then only your handwriting and you can point the dotted properly. C, CF, CG, CH, CI, CG, then CK. Sharp your pencil and then write, children. CL, CM, CN, then CO, CP, CQ, CR, CS, CT, CU, CV, CW, CX, CY, then at last CZ. Okay children, first we have completed the dots. So how many lines you have to draw? Like 10 lines. Okay, so you have to draw 10 lines. I have completed the dotted and I am going to write the first line alone. Remaining lines you have to write. Okay. So first I am going to start with CA. See children how I am writing. CB, CC, CD, CE, CF, CG, CH, CI, CJ. So I have completed the first line alone children. Remaining 2 lines you have to write. Okay. So you have to draw 10 lines for Thursday children, that is 29, 10, 20. So try to write over the dotted children. Sharp your pencil. Write the date. Draw lines and write neatly children. So for Thursday you have to draw 10 lines children. Then only it will be even and so neat also. So for Friday we are going to move on. So 30, 10, 20. For Friday, that is D series, D with alphabets we are going to write. So you have to draw for Friday 9 lines. So we need to draw, you need to draw 9 lines children. Let's start with the D. Let me write over the dots first. See here, DA, next one D, B, the next one DC, DC, DD, then DE, DF, DG, DH, then DI, then DJ, DJ, DL, then DM, DN, DO, DP, DQ, DR, DS, DT, DU, DV, DW, DX, DY, then at last DZ children. So that's all, we have completed the dotteds. So for this Friday you need to draw 9 lines children. So draw 9 lines and continue the D series. Here sharp a pencil and write children. DA, DB, DC, DD, DE, DF, DG, DH, DI. So I have completed the first line children. Remaining 2 lines you have to write. So we have completed dotted. I have completed dotted and this line, this first line. So remaining lines you have to write. Draw 9 lines for Friday children. Then let's move on to Saturday. So for Saturday, that is 31, 10, 20, we are going to write the E series. So you have to draw 9 lines children for this also. So let's start right. E, A, EB, EC, ED, EE, EF, H I then EJ EK EL M N O P Q R S T EU V EW EX EY and at last EZ children. So we have completed E series of dotted. So you have to draw 9 lines children, and you have to write the first line, these next 2 lines. So first I am just writing the first line alone. So EA, then EB, then EC, then ED, then EE, then EF, EG, EH, then at last EI. So I have completed the E series also children. So remaining 2 lines you have to write. So today in our session we have completed Thursday, that is for 29, 10, 20, and for Friday 30, 10, 20, and for Saturday 31, 10, 20. So till this you have to complete children, till the E page number 18 you have to complete. So that's all from the handwriting part children. Write neatly, sharp your pencil, draw a line, write date, write it over the dotted lines. So follow the same instruction everywhere and every day children in your handwriting part. Children, let's conclude this reading and writing part with our today's value, that is, books built a stairway to your imagination. So children, to improve your imaginative skill, try to read books and improve your handwriting and be confident in your life. So make use of this opportunity and develop your reading and writing skills children.